In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off Namedrop on your iPhone. Namedrop allows you to quickly share new contact information with nearby iPhones. However, if you want to disable this feature for any reason, I will guide you through the simple steps to do so. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap AirDrop. To turn off Namedrop on your iPhone, simply toggle off the switch next to the Bringing Devices Together option. Keep in mind that turning off this feature will also disable the ability to share photos and more by bringing your iPhone close to another iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.